Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is December the 4th, 2019. The location to where we trade different. And I wanted to come in and show you all this article right here written by CNN, Scotty Andrew, about Peloton and the commercial that they are trying to insinuate as to the reason why the stock fell about 9%. Now, I'm here to tell you that that's not the reason why the stock fell 9%. The reason is something totally different, but the market needs to have a justifier to try to answer to why a stock moved so violently in one day. And they're trying to use this advertisement, this commercial, this holiday ad as the reason as to why a stock moved 9%. And I'm here to tell you that that's not the reason why. So we're going to look at this article real quick, look at the price chart, and then we're going to update you as to whether or not we're going to expect the market in Peloton to continue to move lower, or will this stock continue to see higher prices? Okay, so Peloton is telling everyone that you misinterpreted the holiday ad that they came out with. I don't know if you guys saw this article or this commercial right here, but a lot of criticism has been thrown to Peloton for documenting a woman and her progression into losing weight on their stationary bike, which was a gift from her husband, according to this commercial. But people criticize the ad purported sexism and deafness to the privilege of its subjects in this and previous commercials. So they're trying to tie it in, CNN is, and that is not the way that you should be able to determine the value of a stock or the reason as to why it is moving to the downside. And you can tell that it started out with a criticism of what some critics stated about the commercial, but then as you continue to read this article, it talks about why the stock tumbled. The backlash synced up with a significant tumble in the company stocks. That's not why it's synced up. So the author of this article is wrong in that perspective. Peloton stock dipped 9% on Tuesday after several days of gains and a slide that coincided with the company's decision to lower the price of its workout app, Bloomberg and The Verge reported. Now that could be another reason as to why the price value of Peloton stock saw lower prices. But in this article, as clickbait, they wanted us to click on this article to say that we have misinterpreted their commercial. But as you continue to read this article, you can see that it may be because Peloton decided to lower the prices of its workout app. Also, you can see that Raymond James, one of their analysts, said that Peloton has been a meme in the past and it has not hurt the trend. So it's unlikely that the drop in the price will last. This is what CNBC reported. Okay. So all of this simply just to get you to click on the article, because as you can tell here from the price chart of Peloton, the market has been in a very good movement to the upside. And obviously what goes up must come down. And they're trying to justify the sexism of their commercials as the reason as to why, or the lowering price of their workout app as to why the stock moved down 9%. And that is not the case. It's been in a very good move, and it's just time for the market to take a break in Peloton stock from moving higher. That's all. Nothing to connect as to the reason why. I mean, the market moves on supply and demand, and that's it. And once the demand is gone, the price will drop, plain and simple. But I understand that the media cannot make money without trying to grab onto a reason as to why the market in Peloton or any other stock is moving the way that it is moving. So we are seeing the market in Peloton stock take a break on the weekly chart. Very good move, very powerful move during last month, in the month of November. You guys can see a very massive spread moving higher. Prices is also positive into the market for Peloton stock. But what we're going to do, we're going to look here on the 2-hour price chart, and you can tell that this market in Peloton stock, on the increase in volume down here at the bottom of the price chart and the spread of these price bars, indicates that we are seeing a lot of volatility in the market in Peloton, around $32 all the way up there to $36. Okay. Now, I am suspecting that this market in Peloton is going to continue to move higher but not on the weekly to the daily time frame. We're looking for the market in Peloton to move higher on this 2-hour chart. Okay. Because like you said, we have to take into consideration all the volatility, the increased volume as the market in Peloton tried to push this stock price to the downside. So we're going to hug the market as a support area around this ascending line. Okay, so as long as this market in Peloton continues to trade alongside this ascending line to the upside of it, the market will continue to see higher prices. Okay. Now our TP will be right here around $34, which would be about 3% profit forecast into the market for Peloton. Okay, so we're going to hold out into the market in Peloton stock with it continuing to move higher in price. Let me bring this up just a tad. That's a very good area of support right there around $32. So the market in Peloton is seeing some weakness at the moment. So expect the market to kind of trade sideways alongside this ascending line, which will give everyone the opportunity to evaluate whether or not we're still seeing the strength into the market. Because if we're not, the market will move lower, but I'm not expecting that at this particular moment. But we're playing this on the 2-hour bar because on the daily to the weekly time frame, the market gets a little bit foggy as to whether or not it's going to continue to move higher. So that's why we're only going to play this on the 2-hour time frame. So this is it. This is our updated price for Peloton stock, and we wanted to show you that that's not the reason, according to CNN, as to why the market dropped 9%. It just needed a break. There wasn't no demand at the price level of $36 at that particular time. So the market just fell. That's it. So questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you always maintain your profitability. I just wanted to talk to you all about this. I just found that article quite intriguing to see that due to a commercial, the stock dropped 9%. So let us know with your thoughts and comments with the comment section of this video. And as always, subscribe to this channel, like and share the video. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, our website, HueFinancial.com, the only location to where we trade different. Make sure you all maintain profitability, and I will see you on the next one.